Profil products featuring mechanically attached fastener technology, along with our Atlas brand rivet nuts, provide the ideal solutions for a number of electronic vehicle applications. Our mechanically attached fasteners can be installed directly in die into dissimilar materials and do not have the negative thermal or coating effects caused by welding. Two types of Profil joints, the rivet joint and the clinch joint, each offer their own unique advantages. For panel preparations, pre-pierce and pre-form as well as self-pierce are available. An example of pre-pierced fastener installation. Pre-pierce and pre-form fastener installation. Self-pierce fastener installation. For panel access, choose Profil clinch and rivet solutions when two sides of access are required for installation. Choose Atlas blind threaded solutions when one side of access is required for installation. Shown here are examples of Profil clinch and rivet installations. Shown here are examples of Atlas blind threaded insert installations.